Designing metal components for circularity requires making thoughtful choices about how parts are built, shaped and connected, always with an eye towards disassembly and circular material flows. In this course module, we will explore a range of joining methods for creating components and structures from different materials. Techniques such as adhesive bonding, riveting, clinching and brazing present opportunities for designing with mixed materials. Many of these approaches also enable disassembly, reuse and refurbishment, supporting more sustainable product life cycles. We will examine how surface treatments and joint configurations influence bonding performance and how these factors affect recyclability, structural integrity and cost efficiency. By the end of this course, you will be able to critically evaluate and select joining methods that strike the right balance between manufacturability, durability and circularity, tailored to the needs of different business cases. Welcome to apply to this course.